Hello guys and welcome to Techland. Today I'll be showing you a quick way how to get Canva Education for teachers absolutely for free and have access to unlimited premium designs and templates that you can use for graphics, infographics, slides. So if you're new to the channel, please leave a like and subscribe, make a comment and tell me what you want to do. And also I'll be dropping tools, AI tools that useful for teachers and so please leave a like and subscribe. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is to go to your browser. All right, go to your Chrome and just search for Canva Education right here. Okay, click on enter. All right, so just click on the first link here. Okay, you see solution, just click on it and in no time, in less than 5 minutes, your Canva Premium will be ready. All right, so you're going to click on you see this right here, click on teachers. All right, get verified. Okay, all right, so it's going to bring you to this place right here. Primary and secondary school teachers get premium Canva for free. You can see it, right? So it's going to require your school email. All right, but I'll just keep this part and just keep I don't have the school email. All right, and click on continue. So it's going to bring you to this place, this board, which is very, very important. To get verified, you need to follow the guide below. All right, so it's going to ask you for some documents which you're going to upload. All right, so the first document is your payslip. You have your letter of employment and signed school letter. So these are the three recommended documents you can upload. So we also have some document like school ID, teacher ID, teaching license and others. Okay, so for these tutorial, I already have my Canva activated. So I'll just click on letter of employment. All right, so it's going to bring you to this place and you just click your. So I'll just be selecting a random picture. All right, so you can select in any format. You can upload in any format. You can upload in picture or PDF. All right, so I'll just select my passport here just to show you how it's done. All right, so you can select more than one document. So I'll click on I understand and agree, then continue. So before we proceed, let me just put my full name. So make sure the name you are putting over here matches the one on your official document. All right, so just come here and select the name of the school. The moment you start typing, you will see the name of your school if it's registered, and if it's not registered, you can just go ahead and just put it. Okay. Okay. So once you're done, just click here, continue, and you're done. All right. Okay. You see, we are revealing your information, but you can get started with Canva now. All right. So it will take less than 5 minutes for them to respond if your documents are correct. All right. That if you use the recommendation the recommended document. All right, so just click on done and you're going to receive a mail. So that is all. Please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.